Hi, so according to the comics, the way it's supposed to work, the Bat who laughs is not Joker wearing a bat costume, so that he's not that. This is Batman doing all the Jokerisms. No matter what, it's some version of Batman's voice. So, in theory, he's not going to sound like this. With the cackling, the laughing, the grabbing the occasional crowbars and clubbing a few robins to death, as any average Joker would do. He's something clearly different. And he's certainly not going to use the cold, sardonic voice that I think the best Batman actors do. They do this amazing job of sounding very calm and quiet, thinking and contemplative, almost emotionless. And the thing is, the Batman who laughs is he's it's the same it's the same person. It's still Bruce Wayne. And most importantly, as the regular Joker clearly points out in the comic books, this is a Batman who never shuts the fuck up. It's a good combination of different voice talents, I can tell you that much. For instance, take a good look, Bruce. Do you see it? You've never fought someone with all your training, all your discipline. See it yet? Shut up. I'm not him in a bat suit. I'm you. Your bad dream and nothing more. You, how you're supposed to be, without the codes, without the rules, except one. Batman always wins.